Hello everyone and welcome to another 1 minute drum lesson. So today I've got a really fat fill for you. It's really great for rock music and heavier stuff because you're really laying into those toms. So the fill is over 2 beats and it's all semiquaver sextuplets. That means there's 12 notes in total. So the first 6 notes are just a 6-stroke roll, and then the next 6 are just right, left, left, foot, right, left. And I'll show you the orchestration just now. Really ramp up the dynamics for those last 3 notes, the foot, right, left on the floor tom, because it will sound really monstrous. Anyway, have some fun with that fill and I hope you enjoy. If you want some sheet music, just let me know. Until next week, take care.